Hey everybody, I'm making this video to show you my plans for the shipping container. This is kind of part 2 of my shipping container video, but kind of undecided about one thing. Maybe y'all can help me. So when I step in here, lights come on. So what I decided to do, this is that, on the last video I hadn't put in, this is the big shelf that I had to move out here and put back together and start restocking it. You'll see that all the food from it that was piled here on the floor is now on the shelves. And 2 more of those I gotta do. And this is it's one of those clothes racks on wheels. I'm gonna start moving some of the winter coats and stuff like that out here so that I can clear out some more closet space. But so here's my plan. I'm gonna solar power this container. So I've got these 2 240 watt solar panels, and I put these brackets on them. And what I was gonna do is down here, I have these magnets that go on. So you put you put 2 on each of these. 1 here, 4, 6, 8. And then I'm just gonna stick this thing with the magnets right to the outside of the shipping container down here on the end. Now originally I was gonna put both of those solar panels on the other side of this wall, drill a hole, have the cables come in, and then I've got, this is a deep cycle marine battery. I got another one coming, I think tomorrow. And then this is a 1000 watt inverter. And then here's the charge controller. I ordered another one of these. I think it comes tomorrow or Thursday, something like that. And then I've got just solar connectors, and I've got more wire coming and everything. So, well, here's some. This is the, these are to connect the batteries together. So here's my dilemma. I was gonna put both the solar panels out here and run it off 2 batteries with the inverter and the controller. But I think that might be overkill for what I'm gonna do in here, because my plan for the solar out here, because I'm gonna have the skylights in for daytime and I've got these solar lights for nighttime, I don't think I need 480 watts of power, because the whole reason I'm putting it in is everything I have that charges. Like these are shortwave radios. This is a USB air compressor for flat tires. I've got like 12 Baofeng radios. I've got a lot of optics and stuff, like these night vision scopes, and a lot of tack lights and stuff like this. They all need to be charged. So I was just gonna have all these shelves full of charging items, and including power tools, batteries for impact wrenches, Sawzall, weed eater, all the stuff that takes batteries. Everything on the shelf will just be charging on solar. So anytime I need a certain thing, I know the battery's fully charged. But I think that's too much. So now I'm thinking I'm just gonna slap 1 solar panel out here. The inverter, this controller, and like I said, I ordered another controller. So I might take this controller, the second battery that's coming in, that second panel that doesn't have the brackets on it yet, I'm gonna put those on probably tomorrow. All I'll have to do is buy another inverter. And I can solar another outbuilding. So I have what I call the saloon. It's a really cool shed. I think I might solar that with just like this, because I have a tiny house right over here. I can go out there, might be able to see it. So there's a tiny house right there. And I wanted to put solar power in that too. But what I think I'm gonna do is use one of my EcoFlow power banks, and it comes with its own solar panel for charging. So I think what I'm gonna do, hey Harley, is take that, it's a folding 100-watt solar panel, and I think I'm just gonna mount it right here. And then there's a table or a bench or whatever on the other side of this wall. I would set that EcoFlow on there, have the solar panel plugged into it, just keep it plugged in so it'll constantly be charging. And then this whole shed will have power because you just plug a couple of power strips into the EcoFlow and it's just continuous power in here. I've already got a light. This thing's full of stuff, it's got to be cleaned, but I've already got, I don't know if you can even tell. Let's see. So this came off like a headboard for a bed, and I just took it apart, and you can see it's got 2 lights in it, and it's got a extension cord. So it's already wired. I've already got lights in here. So I think, and then the other 240 watt panel. Wait, some of the dogs want attention. Bodie, you want another treat? Come here. Your mom's gonna take it. Here, you can still have one. There's more. Bodie's very, very polite. Hannah just takes it. Reckless. Reckless is the one that really, your Indigo might want one. Indigo wants one. Samson's kind of not a treat dog. He's like, he probably will turn his nose up to this. Are you gonna take it? Oh my goodness. You saw it here first. Samson actually took a treat. He's not really a treat dog. So this shed here I built out of pallets. It has a light just like that one on the inside, so it does have lights. I could do the power on this shed instead, but the cats kind of live in there and I don't want them messing with it. So what I think I might do, here's Reckless. I have 1 treat left, Reckless. So obviously you want it because Reckless is a treat dog. She loves treats. So I might take that other solar panel, battery, controller, and then I'll have to buy an inverter and power this building here up, because it's got a lot of tools and everything in it right now, but I think I'm going to move them to the shipping container and put it on those shelves. So this is going to be a lot more empty. And also, by having power here and in that tiny house, I'll be able to put Wi-Fi extenders in those 2 buildings, this building and the tiny house, and extend the Wi-Fi range. So the shipping container would also have Wi-Fi and just that kind of thing. So I'm just thinking, I think the 480 watt shipping container power is overkill. So let me know what you think in the comments. If I cut that in half, I can actually power 2 outbuildings instead of overkill on the shipping container. And then I've got campers over there. There's one there, there's one over there, there's one right there. They've all got power. So I've always wanted power out to this thing here. So I'm leaning towards splitting that solar project into 2 and putting 1 here. Let me know what you think. Take care. Peace. Oh, and I will update as this progresses. I'll show you the finished product.